Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain you about the CDH1 gene. CDH1 gene which is present in the E cadherin, CADHERIN. So as CDH, so in the E cadherin also C, D and H letter comes. So CDH1 gene is present in E cadherin. So E cadherin is a cell adhesion molecule. So E cadherin is a cell adhesion molecules. It help in the adhesion of the cells. So E cadherin is a cell adhesion molecule. So what will happen? Suppose if there is a decrease in the E cadherin level. So if there is decrease in E cadherin level, what will happen? So if there is decrease in E cadherin level, then two things will happen, that it may lead to diffuse gastric cancer. It may lead to diffuse gastric cancer, means it lead to a cancer situation, that is diffuse gastric cancer. And the other cancer is that it lead to invasive lobular carcinoma of breast. Invasive lobular carcinoma of breast. So two cancers it will lead if there is decrease in E cadherin level. First one is the diffuse gastric cancer and the invasive lobular carcinoma of the breast. So how will you identify that it is diffuse gastric cancer? So in the diffuse gastric cancer, what we will see, so in the diffuse gastric cancer, first thing we see that there is linitis plastica. Linitis plastica, it means that we see a leather bottle appearance. And the other things, and the second condition which we see in the diffuse gastric cancer is we see a signet ring. So signet ring is also seen when there is decrease E cadherin level. It is seen in the diffuse gastric cancer. While in the invasive lobular carcinoma of the breast, we see a Indian file pattern. Please remember it, that in the invasive lobular carcinoma of the breast, we see Indian file pattern. So on the microscope image, as you see here, in this what we will see, so basically in this image we see that there is a Indian file pattern, because one cell is following the other cell like this. So as we see here that the cells were following each other, so it is a Indian file pattern. And Indian file pattern is seen in the invasive lobular carcinoma of the breast. It is seen in invasive lobular carcinoma of breast. While in the second image, as I show you, so in this image what you will find, so we will find that there is a signet ring. How we identify that it is a signet ring? So in the signet ring, in the cell, the nucleus is pushed towards the periphery. That is a signet ring. So as we see here that in this cell, the nucleus is pushed towards the periphery. So in this we see a signet ring. So signet ring is seen in the diffuse gastric cancer. It is seen in diffuse gastric cancer. So if a clinical case is present to you, that there is a woman who has CDH1 mutation and she undergoes a prophylactic gastrectomy, then what malignancy is at, she will be at higher risk. So she will at the higher risk of lobular carcinoma of breast. So these type of clinical questions you will face related to this topic, that if there is decreased level of E cadherin, then two things will happen. First one is the invasive lobular carcinoma of breast, and the second is diffuse gastric cancer. So I hope this video will benefit you. Thank you. Bye bye.